Congratulations on getting your free SEO analysis of your website. In this video, I'm going to show you just quickly what you're going to be seeing when you're looking at your SEO report and how to get the best use out of it. So this is what you'll see at the top here. You'll see your website. You're going to see a score that's been given to you. You do have the option of downloading the report as well. When you're going through, you're going to see different sections. So we've got search engine optimization, we've got the Google preview, alt attribute. What we want to see is we want to see these green check marks here. Now I can click on any one of these right here, and over here there's a little button that says more information, and then that's going to give you a description of what that particular result has shown. So for example, when we get down here and we see a red one, then I might go here and it says alternative text as you describe images give search engine crawlers and the visually impaired also more information to help them understand images, which can then appear in Google image search results. So what this is telling us here in this case is these images that they found on the website are missing these alt attributes, and those and that is just the naming of how those images are named. And if those images were named better for this particular website, then they would turn up better inside of the Google searches. And so this is one thing that we could see was a red that this website could improve upon. You're also going to see this right here, keyword consistency, and this is where you would need to sign in, create an account, so you can see the back end of a deeper detail of the report. Please feel free to click on that, and you can set up yourself a free account on that. And in the group, we'll go through more information about how you can resolve some of these things that come up for you. But in a nutshell, that's all you need to do is just go through each area, look for the ones that are red, and you can click on there and find out more information, and then you can then start to make changes to your website. And as always, if you need a hand with this, or if you'd like to outsource this to someone else, please feel free to reach out to me either in the group or send an email to us, or send a reply email to us, and we'll schedule a time to have a chat to see how we might be able to help you.